Hello, everyone. Hope you all had an amazing week. We are back with one more podcast episode.
Hello everyone. I hope you had a great weekend. Today we are diving into a fascinating and a crucial topic for any business, the power of brand identity.
Absolutely. But before we start, Mithil, when was the last time you did shopping on Amazon? What did you buy last?
Uh, as in,
When did you shop or why did you shop on Amazon last?
2 days back, I bought a planner that we decided to give to our workshop attendees. But why are you asking it?
Did you ever notice the Amazon logo?
Of course.
How does it look?
Ta-da!
Wow, that was easy. What do you see in that logo?
Amazon and the arrow which bends like a smile.
Brilliant. But did you notice that the arrow starts from A but it doesn't end at N? Instead, it ends at Z. Wonder why?
Hmm, let me think about it. Can
Socho,
you tell?
socho. That's because that the arrow is aimed to convey that Amazon can bring you A to Z products that will bring a smile on your face.
Indeed.
So, brand identity is more than just a logo or a catchy slogan. It's the essence of what your company represents and how the world perceives it.
Exactly. So let's start with the basics. A brand identity is a collection of all the brand elements that a company creates to portray the right image to its consumers. It's essentially how a brand presents itself to the public and what it wants to be recognized for. It includes the name, logo, tagline, tone, typeface, that is fonts, and even the color used.
Brand identity is crucial because it's your first impression on the potential customers. It sets you apart from your competitors and builds trust and loyalty. A strong brand identity can make your business instantly recognizable and memorable.
Something like Swarnalata in the movie Pushpa. Pushpa says, I am the brand.
Exactly.
So, a logo is the visual cornerstone of your brand. It's often the first thing people see and remember about your business. A brilliant opportunity to create a brand recall. A well designed logo can communicate your brand's value, create a sense of professionalism, and making a lasting impression. Take Rolex, for example. Now, one may think, what is so innovative about it? It's just a crown. But mind you, the crown says it loud that Rolex is the best watch company across the globe.
Indeed. No wonder a lot of thought goes into creating a logo that reflects the brand's essence. A logo is born out of an idea dipped in colors that later become your brand colors.
Ah, colors. Colors evoke emotions and can influence consumer behavior. Now, having a specific set of brand colors ensures consistency and helps in creating a visual identity that people can associate with the brand. Let's take for an example, Coca-Cola's red invokes excitement and passion, whereas Facebook's or LinkedIn's blue convey trust and dependability.
Exactly. These colors not only grab attention but are also chosen based on the practice of color versus human psychology.
Oh, yes. Color psychology is a vast subject altogether.
The font complements the colors. The fonts you choose reflects your brand's personality and values. It affects readability and the overall aesthetic of your brand's communication. A consistent font across all the platforms ensures brand cohesion and strengthens recognition. For example, Google's sans serif font is used to convey a sense of modernity and approachability.
That's so true, Swarnalata. And in fact, I always say, consistency is the key to maintaining a strong brand identity. Now, even though we are in the digital era, there are certain stationary items essential for a brand.
Exactly, just like the newspaper, which is always evergreen. Despite the digital age, physical stationery for businesses is evergreen. Like your business cards, letterheads, and envelopes are still important. They add a tangible aspect to your brand and can leave a lasting impression when you meet your clients or have a face to face interaction. They show that your brand is professional and well established. Think about receiving a well designed card in your hands.
Absolutely. Now, having consistent and professional stationery helps reinforce your brand identity in all forms of communication.
Well, that's all we have today. Remember, a strong brand identity is essential for standing out in a crowded market and building lasting relationship with your customers, which we call as brand loyalty and brand recall value.
Thanks for joining us. In the next episode, we shall bring you more engaging conversations around brand and creative writing for brands. If you have enjoyed this episode, be sure to follow our podcast for more insights on brand and storytelling. Until next time, keep building that brand. And don't forget to be a part of the community called as VIH Tribe Content Lab, where we help solopreneurs, artists, coaches, entrepreneurs, brands to learn the four major important fundamentals, that is content creation, personal branding, storytelling, and copywriting. So you will find the link below to join the community. We welcome you with open arms. See you again next week with another episode.
Bye, everybody.
Bye bye.